What is router? The router, at least the home common network device that we usually call a router, is the piece of network hardware that allows communication between your local home network, i.e. your personal computer and other connected devices in the internet. The router used in home in small networks is more accurately called a residential gateway. Important router facts. A router is the first line of security from intrusion into a network. Enabling the highest level of security on the router is the best way to keep your computer system and information safe from attack. Routers contain software called firmware that should be updated as released by the router manufacturer. Most routers connect to other networks devices only via networks cable and do not require drivers to operate in Windows or other operating systems. However, routers that connect to a computer via a USB or firewire typically requires drivers to operate properly. Routers often act as the DHCP servers in small networks using unique IP addresses. Router description. Routers connect a modem like a DSL, cable, or fiber modem to other devices to allow communication between those devices in the internet. Typically, a router connects physically via network cable to the modem via the internet or WAN port, and then physically again via a network cable to the network interface card in whatever wired network devices you may have. The IP addresses assigned to the WAN or internet connection is a public IP address. The IP address assigned to the LAN or local network connection is a private IP address. Wireless router and wired routers with multiple connections also act simple network switches, allowing the device to communicate with each other.